In today's video, we've got an air purifier, this time by MOOKA. Now this is made to work up to 969 square feet, and it's gonna clean the air in that room at 1.5 times per hour. Now just so you know the size on this, it's roughly 11.5 by 6.5 by 16 inches tall. Noise level on this one is 20 decibels. As you can see here on the box, it's got an H13 HEPA filter, 3-stage filtration system, low noise level, and child lock. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. And then of course you're going to get a user manual and warranty card. Nice little ridges here on the front. Pretty easy here to take off the back panel to get to your filter. You can see here is your paper filter, and you can see you've got two different filters here, your H13 HEPA filter and your preliminary filter. And you can see here along the edge is sort of a little foam seal that goes all the way around. The preliminary filter is going to capture large particles such as pet dander, hair, and lint. The H13 HEPA filter is going to trap fine particles like dust, pollen, and mold. And then the carbon filter is going to filtrate odors such as pet odors, smoke from cooking, that sort of thing. Slide the cover back on towards the bottom, and then it just snaps right into place. You've also got a nice little handle there on the back, makes it a little bit easier to carry. Here at the top it shows the child lock filter replacement reminder. You got 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. You've also got a timer button. You can also turn the display off right there in the middle. Then you've got a low speed indicator light, medium, and high speed indicator light. Right below that you get the fan speed, and of course your power on and off. In case you're wondering, filter lifespan on this is about 3 to 6 months. Obviously that's going to depend on what kind of room you're sticking this in and what kind of environment it's in. You know, if it's closer to a kitchen or if you're a smoker, obviously you're gonna have to change it quite a bit more often. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but now that I've got it on the high setting, I mean, you can hear the fan going, but really it doesn't sound that loud, especially compared to some other air purifiers that I've tried. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out for a couple days, see how good it works, and then come back and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so after testing this air purifier for a couple days, I found the medium setting to be best as far as how loud this air purifier gets, which actually isn't that loud. Obviously, it's going to depend on how big of a room that you're going to be using this in as far as what setting to have this on. Nice thing about this air purifier is it doesn't shut off and on and start beeping to make you reset it like some other air purifiers that I've tested. You just turn it on, put it at the setting you like, and let it do its thing. The display light is a little on the bright side for my liking, at least at night, sort of like a night light if you want to see things while you're walking around your house at night, which might be nice for some people. Thing is, you have the ability to turn that light off and you still have all the same functionality even though the lights are turned off. The one thing I like about this unit is it's fairly small and it can easily be moved from room to room compared to my older air purifier that I've had for a while now, and this one feels like it cleans the air just as good or better than my old one. I feel like this MOOKA air purifier is a good option if you're looking for something that isn't real expensive, pretty lightweight, and uses an actual HEPA filter. Something to keep in mind is the cost to replace the HEPA filter on this model is about $40. So yeah, my first impressions of this air purifier by MOOKA is, yeah, you should definitely put this one on your list. I think most people are going to be satisfied with this specific model and how it performs. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.